My dear students, in last remote class, I was completed till data types. Today I will tell you about Python variables. In Python variables, we will study about what is variable, what are the rules to create the variables, what are the rules to assigning the name to the variable, putting the variable name, assigning the rules to the variables. Now let us start one by one. What is a variable? In Python, variables are the name of reserved memory locations that stores some type of value. In Python, a variable can store any type of value. In other words, we can say a variable in Python is a way to provide data in the programs so that computer can process this program. Variables are nothing but reserved memory location to store values and that have certain names. Simply, variables are a name of memory location that stores some values, and this value may be of any type. In another views, when you create a variable, it means we reserve some space in the memory. We means compiler reserves some space in the memory. Now our next point, creating variables in the Python. Before going to discuss this point, first clear your view about definition of variables. If anyone asks you what is the definition of variables, the exact definition of variable is the variables are the name of memory location that stores values, and this value may be of any type. Any type means value may be integer type, may be float type, may be string type, may be list, may be dictionary, may be tuple, etc. What happens internally? As well as you create a variable, compiler, interpreter reserves some space in the memory and put their name that you want. Now let us see next point, creating variables in Python. Here it is very interesting. In the Python programming language, declaration of variable is not required. However, in other programming languages such as C, C++, Java, declaration of variable is required before using it. But in the Python, declaration of variable is not required. Just assign a value to a name by using assignment operator. Here I am giving you some examples. For example, x is equal to 12. Here x is a integer data type. Here x stores the integer type of value and value is 12 and name is x. So x is a variable name and this x stores the value of integer type and integer type 12. Next, a is equal to 5.7. Here variable name is a and value stored by the variable is 5.7 and this value of fraction is of fraction type. K is equal to Ravi. Here name of variable is k and value is Ravi. This value is of string type and k stores k refers the value Ravi. Variables in Python can hold values of any type and you cannot restrict these. आप इसे restrict नहीं कर सकते. Now based on the data type of a variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory space. Therefore, we can say by assigning the different data type to the variables, you can store the integers, decimal, characters, etc. I hope you are very clear with the rules. Now let us see rules to make a variable name. When you create a variable, then you need to make a variable name. As you have seen in the above example, the variable names were a, x, k. The variable names, about the variable names, I would like to tell you, a variable can have a short name like x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, etc. Or a variable name can be more descriptive name like age, car name, total value, incentive, total salary, commission, roll number, student name, etc. When a variable contains has descriptive name, then what are the rules for naming? Here I would like to tell you the naming rules of variables. First rule, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Second rule, a variable name cannot start with a digits. Third rule, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. Fourth rule, variable names are case sensitive. It means small and capital letter has different meaning. Fifth, keywords cannot be used as a variable name. And last rule is that no any space, no any special symbols are allowed between the variable's name. While you are going to putting the name to some memory locations, then you need to remember all these rules. I am giving you the example for legal variable names and illegal variable names. Just go through it and make practice. Next point is assigning values to variables. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. I have told you about this. In the Python, variable declaration is not necessary. Variable declaration is not required. Only just create the variable, only just assign the value to the variables. The declaration happens automatically. In the Python, declaration happens automatically when we assign a value to a variable, to a name. The equal sign we can say assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variables. How do we perform this? The operand to the left of the assignment operator is the name of variable and the operand to the right side of the assignment operator is the value, and this value is stored or indicated by the variable. For example, x is equal to 56.987. Here is equal to symbol is known as assignment operator, x is known as variable name, 56.987 is the value and this value is a float type. Next example, y is equal to 567. Why is the name of variable? is equal to symbol is known as assignment operator. 567 is the value and this value is of integer type. Z is equal to Pravesh. Z is the variable name, Pravesh is the value of this variable and this value is of string type. One more important thing, in Python variables are of dynamic typing. What do you mean by the dynamic typing? Dynamic typing means same variable can point or indicates more than one type of value. For example, x is equal to 10, x is equal to 56.78, x is equal to RAM. Here we are seeing that the variable name is same x and this x indicates different value at different place. At first place x is indicating 10, second place x is indicating 56.78 and at third place x is indicating RAM. The first value of x is the integer type, second value of x is of float type and third value of x is of string type. Here variable name is same but type of value that is indicated by this variable is different. This feature is known as dynamic typing. Python variables are of dynamic typing. I am giving you some notes about the static typing. Go through it. Now we will see multiple assignments of variables. How many ways we can assign the value to variables in the Python? I would like to tell you, Python allows you to assign value by following different ways. We can see three ways. First, single value to single variable. I mean assigning single value to single variables. For example, a is equal to 1. Here an integer object is created with value 1. Second, assigning same value to multiple variables. For example, a is equal to b is equal to x is equal to 10. Here an integer object is created with the value 10 and all three variables x, a, b are assigned to the same value. Listen, all these variables contains or indicates the same value. Third, assigning multiple values to multiple variables. This is very interesting, so see it carefully. How do we do? A comma b comma c is equal to 1 comma 2 comma John. This statement assigns the values order-wise. A will get 1, B will get 2 and C will get John. Here two integer objects with the value 1 and 2 are assigned to the variable A and B. However, string object John is assigned to a variable C. It means assignment of variables happens order-wise. One more interesting thing, to swap the value we can write like this: a comma b is equal to b comma a. In our today class we are going to stop here. We will meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.